Welcome to Intersec Global 2026. Security Middle East magazine is here on the March Network stand on the show floor. Delighted to be joined by Trevor Sinden, their Middle East Regional Director, who's going to talk to us a little bit more about March Network's advancements in AI, video security, and other technologies that they're bringing to the marketplace. So Trevor, thanks for having me here.
You're welcome.
Great to be here. First of all, let's get stuck into it. Can you talk to the audience at home a little bit more about the value that AI-driven security is bringing beyond, well, just security, quite frankly?
Sure, yeah. So we're seeing more and more large retailers and banks really look into video as more of a business optimization tool than a security tool. So that's why we've developed features like AI Smart Search, which really gives the customer the ability to search across all locations for practically anything. So, if we're looking at operations or customer service, they can use AI to interrogate the video and give them the insights that they need.
Perfect. And how are these security risks evolving in your eyes? And also, what can organizations do to really mitigate these risks?
Yeah, so the risks are evolving physically and in terms of cybersecurity. So what we do at March Networks is bringing together data with video. So, for example, we've had some cases recently with some of our retail customers where they've been able to uncover some significant losses due to internal fraud using our Searchlight Cloud platform. So Searchlight Cloud is where we bring data and video together. And then that's evolved recently bringing in AI. So the AI is able to interrogate huge amounts of data, identify patterns, and then from there, they've actually been able to uncover some huge frauds. Because we are a video and data company, that data is linked directly to the video, so they can very easily verify what happened, and also they've got the evidence they need.
Perfect. And I mean, if we cast ahead to the future then, Trevor, what does the threat landscape look like in video surveillance, particularly, let's say, for key institutions like retailers and banks?
I think right now and in the near future, those customers are really looking to the cloud for example, more powerful AI capability, and they're looking for a flexible design in terms of the architecture. So, for example, we have a solution where we have an on-prem system, but they can bring in some powerful some cloud AI-based features like AI Smart Search. They can bring that into their system and then apply that to their threat detection.
Excellent. I think for me, it's been really exciting to see the developments that March Networks have made in recent years, Trevor. And even just the evolution of products like Smart Search, it's fantastic, particularly for your key customers, banks, retailers, for example. Last but not least, what are the key technologies and considerations that you think are going to play the biggest part in shaping the future of video surveillance?
Yeah, so definitely it's clouds. And as I mentioned, it's about being flexible. I think we need to find a balance between performance, costs, data sovereignty, resilience. And that's why we have a whole cloud suite of options, because we need to be flexible to suit the needs of the customers. And they can really pick and choose what works for them.
Phenomenal. Well, Trevor, thanks again for having me on the stand. It's always a pleasure to be here and see how March Networks is really paving the way in AI-driven video surveillance. So wishing you the best of luck, and I'm sure we'll see you again at Intersec Global 2027.